You guys are not going to want to miss the Shiba Inu news. What is going on, guys? Kyle of Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video, guys. We're talking about Shiba Inu today, as you can see. But before we get into this video, make sure to like this video, guys. Let's get this video to 500 likes. And of course, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a new video that we are posting every single day. Also, too, if you guys want to pick up a free stock and start trading Shiba Inu at the same time, you guys can hit the first link down in the description below for public.com. Public.com is a social investing network app that allows you to see what other investors and people like us, what we are buying, what we are selling, and what we are talking about in both the stock and the crypto markets. Plus, when you use the first link in the description below and sign up and sorry guys, my voice is just killing it today. When you sign up and deposit at least $1, you guys will get a free stock that could be worth all the way up to $70, guys, which is a pretty interesting and great deal. Plus, you can start trading Shiba Inu on their platform as well. And overall, we personally use it and we love Public as well. First link in the description below, but let's talk Shiba Inu. So, if we look at the overall market, we are actually green. And you're probably looking at Shiba Inu and saying, well, that's not the case for Shiba Inu. Like, that sucks. You know, we're down just about 0.64% here. But again, we could go green at any moment here. Wouldn't be surprised if, you know, through the rest of today, we do go green. As you can see, most of the bigger, or even the smaller market cap coins are up 4%, 5%, 6%, 7%, 11%. I will not be surprised when Shiba Inu, if it starts to follow closely behind those, and we see some larger gains into the later part of today in the trading session. Even if we do trade a little bit lower, guys, again, I've talked about this earlier. We are still consolidating. We are still pushing trading rather in a rightward direction, meaning that we're not pushing to highs and we're not pushing to lows in any kind of crazy capacity. We are, of course, trading a little bit downward since then, but we did bounce off this support level right around here, and we're starting to kind of consolidate and stabilize at this overall level between this low and this high. And as long as we can continue to do that, guys, I do think that the rally that everybody's kind of expecting, the big mega rally, if you will, that we're all kind of waiting on to break these previous all-time highs. Again, I think that is more than likely and it's more than possible. We just need to continue to set up a proper launch pad, if you will, or just kind of stabilize and confirm this support area so we can push higher in the coming weeks and even maybe in the coming year, depending on how much momentum we can see with this coin. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think Shiba Inu is doing right now. If you think that we are going to break out towards the upside in a major way here coming soon, I'd love to know your guys' thoughts and opinions down below either way. But first things first on the agenda, guys, we are talking about this. So Shiba Inu's utility increases as crypto payment processor BitPay launches Shib support. So this happened literally just about a day ago, I believe. It might even, I think this was about a day ago, but again, I still want to cover it because it is important and this is something that really adds a lot to Shiba Inu. So the Shiba Inu is seeing utility value increase after even further major cryptocurrency payment provider BitPay decided to roll out support for the token. What happened? BitPay, which claims to be the world's largest crypto payment service provider, announced Thursday that it added Shiba Inu support due to overwhelming demand. From now on, BitPay merchants can accept Shib for payment and consumers can buy, store, and swap Shiba Inu in the BitPay wallet application. And the rest of this also talks a little bit about the Newegg deal, which I actually pulled up the Twitter. Newegg, the official Twitter account, tweeted out basically saying, we are now accepting Shib. Just select BitPay as your payment when checking out using a PC. And that is how you can use Shib as your preferred currency to pay, guys. So you might be wondering, all right, cool. Well, you can pay for electronic components now with Shib. Why do I care? Why should I care, right? Let me explain. So we all know that Shiba Inu is obviously an incredibly popular coin that has rose in value by just massive amounts here in the last couple of months and even the last year. And we all know, too, that obviously Shiba Inu is a very integral I guess community, if you want to call it, coin, right? This is a coin that is mostly driven off of its community. Now, that being said, what we really need to see with Shiba Inu more than its community, because the community is one of the biggest drivers of the price of Shiba Inu, we need to see actual utility with this coin. We need to see use case, right? Because again, most of these larger cryptocurrency projects that are just as successful, if not more successful than Shiba Inu. And I'm not even talking about smaller community projects. I'm talking about the big ones, right? We're talking about Ethereum. We're talking about Avalanche. We're talking about Matic. We're talking about some of these larger cryptocurrency projects that have a use case, right? They have a reason for existence. Shiba Inu has, from the moment that it has been created, really been trying to work and push forward this narrative. It's not even a narrative. It's just the truth, basically, that they are actually a useful coin. And again, if you're a hater on Shiba Inu, you can let me know in the comments below. If I'm wrong, I'll hear you out, obviously. But the point here is that, again, I think that Shiba Inu making itself a payment source, not only on BitPay, but we've seen this with other partnerships that you can use Shiba Inu as a payment source with, has been quite successful as far as people using the token to actually purchase things. Plus, we know that Shiba Inu has fundamentals, right? There is NFTs that have been released for this coin. Then there will probably be more in the future. They're working on a AAA game that will also coincide with this. There's two other offshoots of Shiba Inu in the same ecosystem that you can use to stake your Shiba Inu and earn interest on your Shiba Inu. You also, I believe, there is a blockchain layer that they are working on as well that they are obviously going to be very excited about once that is finished and complete. So again, guys, there's a lot of at least fundamental catalysts and different events and just pieces of news in general that happen with this coin every single day. This coin has a purpose. This has a team that is working on things beyond just the scope of, hey, it's a cryptocurrency, you put money into it, hopefully it goes up and you make money off it, right? It's more than just that. We see things like Dogecoin where there's none of that, right? Dogecoin doesn't have an NFT system. Dogecoin does not have a game that's being worked on. Dogecoin doesn't really have anything. It's a joke, right? It's a joke coin. Again, that's why I get a little bit upset when people call this coin specifically a meme coin, because I don't really think this is a meme coin. This is a community coin. Maybe you can call it a hype coin if you really want to. But again, this coin isn't a joke. For all intents and purposes, this is a coin that, the founders believe in. The founders continue to work on and continue to update and improve, and they want to see the overall success of this coin in the future. It's not a rug pull, obviously. It's been around for a very, very long time. The top 50% of holders do not own 50% of the supply. So again, guys, like this is I'm very serious about this. I know, if you're in the Shiba Inu army and you either enjoy this coin, you like this coin, whatever your kind of thoughts or takes about this coin are, more than likely you agree with me. There are a few people probably who are watching this video who don't agree with me, and that's totally fine. If you like a different coin, if you think this coin sucks, let me know in the comments below. I'll talk to you about it. We'll see if we can find some common ground. But I digress. What I'm talking about here and why BitPay being a supporter and launching Shib as a payment source is just, it's good. It's a good piece of news, guys. And you probably, before I get the comments, because I know we're going to get the comments about this, where somebody's going to go, wow, good news, but the price didn't move. You suck, something like that, right? Again, guys, you have to remember that every piece of news that comes out for this coin is good because it adds to the conversation. It adds to people having discussions about this coin, people even being interested in this coin in the first place. But what you also need to remember too is that, guys, not every single piece of news is going to light this coin on fire. Again, what we saw just a couple of months ago fundamentally has kind of changed now, right? We saw Elon Musk tweet out a thing that wasn't even really related to Shiba Inu, and Shiba Inu exploded in value, okay? Again, it was itching for a breakout. It had all of the perfect setups. We can even go back here and look. Again, it was consolidating very nicely, very low volume. And then everybody was like, let's just jump into this. And then, of course, it shot off to the moon. Same thing happened here. Really nice consolidation, stabilization, and it shot off to the moon. And guys, that is why I'm always talking about how we need to stabilize and we need to consolidate, because consolidation and stabilization usually end or lead to the next big rally in anything, in a coin, in a stock, whatever it is you're looking at and trying to track the price of. Again, guys, if we can stabilize and consolidate at these levels and continue to do so for even just a couple of days, maybe even a week or two, I really would be very positive to think that we could actually push to new highs in the coming months or even the coming year, guys. I really think it's possible, and it's something that I really want to see how it plays out. So again, guys, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I always love to know your guys' opinions and takes. You guys always have some very interesting stuff to say either way. Make sure to like this video, guys. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this, guys. And of course, if you guys want a free stock on public.com, hit the first link in the description below. All you guys have to do is literally hit the link, sign up, make an account, right? and then deposit $1, at least $1, and you guys will get that free stock that will be worth up to, not always, but up to $70. It's usually a great selection of companies. We're talking Google, Amazon, Facebook, Apple, Disney, Tesla, all those types of companies. And wow, that was a really weird voice crack. And you could start trading Shiba Inu on their platform as well. Sorry about my voice, guys, today. It's something with my allergies, I think. I talked to a doctor about it. Don't worry, I'm okay. But either way, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.